Welcome to my channel where I give you tips and tricks for minimalist travel and adventuring on a budget. This video is a tour of 3 hotel rooms that we stayed at in Belize. They were all different price ranges, so I'll be letting you know the price of each hotel room. This first hotel was in the middle of the jungle near San Ignacio. It was about a half-hour taxi ride just to get out here, but it was totally worth it. It was a private little hut with its own bathroom. The hotel also had a kitchen and a pool and activities you could do around the area. This room ended up being about $200 a night, which included drinks and 3 meals a day for 2 people, so that's a pretty good deal. And you can see the windows had screens over them to keep the bugs out, but it also allowed the windows to be open so you can hear the jungle sounds and the river that was right nearby. This next room was at the Tropical Paradise Hotel on Caye Caulker. This one was about $37 a night. It had a fridge, air conditioning, a TV, but it didn't have a safe. And I like having a safe in the room to put our passports in while we wander around during the day. So that was my one issue with this room. But other than that, it was in a really nice location and cute little room, had basically everything we needed. And this last room was in a great location on San Pedro. It had access to a beach and a dock, as well as access to a pool, hot tub, and a bar. It had air conditioning and a fridge and a sweet little cat that wanted to come into our room. They have hostel dorm style as well as private rooms. So this is a private room with its own bathroom, and we paid about $50 a night. And location is key on this island because it's a little bigger, so being right by the beach was our top priority, but we also didn't want to spend too much money, so this was a good price to location ratio.